Hello, everyone. The following demonstration will assist the Medicare Promoting Interoperability Program participants in navigating hospital quality reporting, also known as the HQR system or QualityNet, as we previously called it. This video will specifically contain the steps for registering your eligible hospital or critical access hospital, also referred to as CAUS, in the HQR system. In the system, when you first log in with your user ID and password, you'll see the dashboard landing page. This is where it's going to show the name of your organization that you're going to be registering for. On the left navigation bar, this menu will expand. You'll come down to Administration and then PI Registration. This registration only has to be done once for the lifetime of the facility. Once you register, you will be deemed a successful or a registered participant for the future years. First thing that you'll click on is registration information. In here, you'll select whether you're participating in Medicare, both Medicare and Medicaid, Medicare Advantage for Medicare, or Medicare Advantage for both Medicare and Medicaid. You'll also select your hospital type, whether you're a subsection D hospital or a critical access hospital, and you'll report if you have a certified EHR number. If you select yes, it will ask you to enter your EHR number. And then we'll save and return. That first step you can edit in future years if something in that information has changed. Next, we'll enter our business information. For the purpose of this test, we're just going to use very generic information. And again, you'll save and return. The second section of the business information, you can also edit that in future years. This last piece, the registration disclaimer, once you begin that, this is the only piece of registration that you will not be able to edit in future years. So please make sure you read through the general notice and all of the information before you accept, agree, and submit this. You will be required to put in your position at the organization and that you acknowledge that you've read all the disclosures and terms listed above. Once you sign that, your facility is now registered. You'll see 3 completes on here, and you can actually export the data if you need to save it for any future reference. Once again, you can edit the registration information or the business information, but you can no longer edit the registration disclaimer. That's all we have to do for registration. Thank you again for watching this video on how to register your hospital or CAW in the HQR system. If you need additional assistance or have additional questions, we encourage you to reach out to the CCSQ Help Desk by emailing qnetsupport@cms.hhs.gov or by calling 1-866-288-8912. Thank you.